ba sagutin yung famous question na tell me about yourself? When you were asked on this question, stop saying I'm hardworking and dedicated. Clients hear that many times, and honestly, it doesn't tell them anything about what you actually do. If you're an aspiring virtual assistant and you want to stand out on your next client interviews, today I'll teach you how to answer the question, tell me about yourself, like a pro, kahit zero experience ka pa. When clients ask that question, they are not looking for your life story and even your personality. They want to know what can you do for them? How can you make their work easier? And also what results can they expect if they hire you. So instead of focusing on yourself, focus dun sa value na mabadala mo para sa kanila. Here's the simple formula that makes your answers sound professional. I help type of client with tasks so they can results. For example, I help real estate business owners organize their emails, schedules, and manage documents so they can focus more on closing sales and building relationships. If you are a beginner naman, that's okay. You can say, I help busy entrepreneurs with admin tasks like data entry, research, and inbox organization so they can save time and stay productive. That one sentence tells the client what you can do and how it helps them. It's short, confident, and clear. So may tatlong tips ako sa inyo to make it better. Smile when you speak. It helps you sound confident and friendly. Number two, keep it under 60 seconds. Clients love short and clear answers. Practice your answers out loud before your interviews. Confidence comes with repetition. So next time, if someone asks you, tell me about yourself, don't freeze or say I'm hardworking. Stop saying that. Use the formula I help type of client with tasks so they can results. Okay? That's how you sound confident, professional, and ready to be hired as a virtual assistant. If you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and share it with your fellow aspiring virtual assistant. Isa lang masasabi ko sa'yo, kayang-kaya mo to.